Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Breaking news: Scorpions Eye to Eye on vinyl. Unfortunately, still just unofficial edition. That's from this company. Not for sale, but yeah, that's just an unofficial, or we may say pirate edition. I'm a huge fan of this album. I had it on CD, and as I just seized an opportunity to get one of these copies. I was not so sure if I should get one because I had not that great experience with all the unofficial editions. They are nice, but they sound pretty poor all the time. But I read on Discogs, and this edition has two. At the moment at the recording of this video, it had two 5-star reviews, and people write that, oh, that's a amazingly sounding edition, and so on, so on, so on. So I decided to pick one. Spoiler, no, it is not that great sounding. The quality is pretty nice. It has this nice sleeve. Also have some lyric poster with the lyrics on it. And the records, they're done great, actually. I mean, the plates are great, they are cut properly. I mean, the manufacturing was really great, and it has there are some matrix numbers and so on, so on. You can see it is also a good sign for an unofficial edition, but unfortunately it is yeah, the sound quality is pretty, I wouldn't say it is poor, but I would say it's somewhere average, like 3 out of 5. I resurrected my CD record player. I listened to this disc I had for a long time, and the CD sounds just superior compared to this vinyl. Vinyl sounds pretty much okay, but the vinyl itself, it's really noisy. You can hear a lot of noise in between the songs, and to my ear it just it is full of mid-range, you know. The voice you may hear pretty good, but yeah, there are of course some sibilants, some this on height, they're not that great, but the rest, the bass is lacking, seriously lacking, and the heights are somehow doubtable as well. So not great pressing, unfortunately. So I was thinking, oh, probably I may get a second copy, but no, I will not. And you know, these are pretty expensive on Discogs. They're some $250 or so. You know, this album, it doesn't have an official vinyl release yet, and you know, just for the sake of collection, this edition may be worth getting. However, if you would like to, you know, to listen to get a great listening experience, please better stick to the CD. I mean, I'm glad I get it, but yeah, I doubt I will listen to it that much. Still, I would prefer my CD copy. Alright, thank you very much. I hope this may help. This review may be helpful. Thanks a lot for your attention. Enjoy great music and enjoy great sound. Thank you. Bye bye.